In today's insanely competitive job market, your resume and cover letter might not be enough. Those words on paper may not truly express your personality, your essence, your charisma. So if you're looking for work and need some additional flair, join me on the Top Tech Talent Reemployment Project, and you can join me right in this window to tell the world a little bit about yourself. Every Tuesday, we post a new candidate, and so far, those who we have highlighted have seen a nice boost in their LinkedIn profiles. So, want to create a little video resume? Drop a note down below, give a like, and if nothing else, please give a share to support those that are looking for work, including myself. I'm Peter. Thanks for watching, and this is episode 12 on the Unemployed, My Laid Off Life. Aloha.